Benefits and features of loan origination software. What are they? What do they mean? Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so first of all, loan origination software is a software platform designed for finance companies or finance departments to manage the application process. Okay, so if you are a borrower and you're looking for a loan, whether it be a home loan, car loan, business loan, there's an application process you have to go through to get that loan. That application process requires software, modern day software, for finance institutions to give you a nice experience through the borrower application process, but to also manage everything in-house in an organized way. Okay, so some of the common features that you're going to see with a good loan origination software platform. First is you're going to see a nice integration with a website online form into that LOS, into that loan origination software platform. Okay, so if you're a borrower and you go to a website to apply for a loan, that website's going to ask you questions. They may have you upload documents. They may have you give you sensitive information like social security or date of birth or where were you born, and they're going to take all that information and they're going to integrate it into the software platform. Okay, so a web-based application integration into the software is a massive feature for any LOS loan origination software platform. Okay, another one is electronic signature. If you're going to fill out information, that finance company is going to want you to sign a legal document. Okay, that legal document is typically done these days with electronic signature. Okay, so an integration with an e-sign platform, or a lot of organizations like Centrex, we own our own e-sign platform, and we have that built in to that loan origination software platform. Okay, number 3, third-party integrations. Okay, there are lots of different software companies that provide lots of different services when it comes to an LOS, a loan origination software platform. One of those is the ability to check your credit score. Another one is to do a background check on you. Another one is to verify that you're a human and you are who you say you are. We call that identity verification. Another one is pulling your tax returns or pulling your bank statements from your bank. A lot of software companies that offer those services. A loan origination software platform will be sure to integrate those types of services into the LOS platform. So as a finance company, if you're the borrower and I'm the finance company, I can have all those integrations readily available to me to offer you a nice experience and a fast answer. I want to give you a yes or a no quickly, right? If you're a great borrower, great. I want to give you a yes, here's your money, here's your legal contracts, and you're off to the races. If you're not a great borrower, bad credit score, you got some things on your background check, well, you know what? I don't want to waste your time. I want to give you a no as fast as I can. So those third-party integrated vendors to that LOS platform will help kind of make that decision. Okay. Another great feature of a good LOS loan origination software platform is communication. Okay. If I'm a finance company and you're a borrower, I need to be able to communicate with you either via email, via text message, via phone call, maybe online chat. Right, so there's a lot of great features when it comes to a nice LOS for communication. Moving on with other features, if you're a mortgage finance company and you do home loans, all right, a loan origination software platform is going to have integrations with pricing engines, Optimal Blue, United Wholesale Mortgage, maybe Freddie and Fannie, Freddie Mac and Fannie Mae. They're going to have those institutions for you readily available inside the software platform, right, so that we can pull that data and give you a strong answer. So sometimes the features of a good LOS, a good loan origination software platform, have a lot to do with the product you're offering. Are you doing commercial loans, consumer loans? Are you doing home loans? What does it look like for that particular finance company? Okay, so those are some of the great features that come with a good LOS platform. Some of the benefits of an LOS platform for the finance company are organization and management. There's a lot of sensitive information, there's a lot of documents, there's a lot of data, there's a lot of statuses the application has to go through. So for the finance company, the LOS software platform really helps them manage the application process, where one representative can manage maybe hundreds, even thousands of borrowers because they have a lot of automation built into it. Back in the olden days, you had to, paper, snail mail your application to the finance company. That took 5 to 7 business days to get there via US Post or UPS. Then you have to wet sign certain things, right? You have to go to third-party vendors and pull those things manually. The application process was long, it was tedious, you didn't get quick answers. Okay, so the benefit for the finance company is it offers a lot of that automation, a lot of that, those third-party integrations to help manage that process. The benefit for the borrower is it offers a nice application experience. Okay, if I'm a borrower and I need money, maybe I need money quickly. right? I can go online, I can fill out an application, and I can get an answer right away, or I can get an answer within a few days. Okay, so for the borrower, that experience of borrowing money is faster, it's more secure, it's safer than it ever has been before. Okay, so those are some of the features and some of the benefits of a good LOS software platform. Here at Centrex Software, we have a phenomenal loan origination software platform. It doesn't matter if you're doing commercial lending or corporate lending or consumer lending. We have features for all parties. Go ahead and click on Request a Demo, and we look forward to chatting with you.